Hello students. Today we are going to discuss one important topic of geography that is known as national highways. It covers your transport and communication chapter and it is one of the important chapter in your book. So now today we are going to discuss about the national highways. So what do you mean by national highways? Which organization is responsible for the maintenance of national highways? National Highway NH1, what is its importance, historical importance? What was the 11th 5-year plan? These are some important concepts regarding these national highways which we are going to discuss today in this lecture. So now let us start. The first point about the national highways is it connects distant places of the country. We all know if we want to go from one place to another, say if I want to go from Jaipur to Delhi, then I would pick up some national highway which will make me easy to travel from Jaipur to Delhi. So that mode of transport is known as national highway, and it is built and maintained by the Central Public Works Department. It is one of the important question which has been asked in many times in the exams. Which body is responsible to build and maintain to this national highway? That is called CPWD. The second important point is various national highways are spread from north to south, east to west. In the few minutes we will see how the national highways are connected in the whole our beloved India. It goes from north to south, east to west. How it is connected, what are the names, which cities are connected, which states are connected, that we will discuss elaborately later on. Okay. The one important national highway, that is NH1, it is dedicated to the historic man Sher Shah Suri. He was a man at the time of the Mughal era. So Sher Shah Suri, he built a road from Delhi to Amritsar. This road is designated as National Highway 1. The next important point, this is very important point, after the independence for the improvement of the economy of our country, our government of India has adopted the 5-year plan. This idea has been adopted from the Soviet Union, at present Russia. So we have started the 5-year plan to boost up our economy, and in this, during the 11th 5-year plan, we have made some schemes to improve our connectivity. So under this scheme we have done two things. The first thing was the construction of 2-lane and the 4-lane of roads. The second point is Prime Minister Rural Road Scheme. This is one of the important scheme in which the villages which have above 100 population and the mountainous region of above 500 population will be connected through roads. This was one of the important turning point in our history of India that we have. This is how we evolved. Okay. Now, one important note is that there are 7 national highways which passes through the state Rajasthan. Rajasthan is one of the state in our country which has 7 national highways, and among all 7 national highways, the NH8 is one of the important highway because it is the only national highway which has been converted into a 6-lane highway. This is one of the most important and the busiest highway, and it is the one which is converted into the 6-lane. And other important highways are NH11, NH12, NH14 and NH3. Okay, and this is what was about the national highway. And in the state highway, the basic difference between this is, in the state highways, the capital of the state is connected to the important cities, towns and villages, and it is maintained and controlled by the PWD. Now the word central is removed. PWD is an organization which controls it. So I hope you are clear with this. Thank you so much.